Chairman, kahapon sabi niya sa ANC, yung Supreme Court has no business dealing with the details of running elections. What do you mean, Chairman?
No, it's a simple interpretation. It should not be misinterpreted. I'm saying is that the Constitution provides that the Commission on Election is the one that should administer, execute, and enforce election laws. Meaning, kami ang detalya. The Supreme Court settles all controversy in this country. Not limited. Election is only one aspect. So, pag detalya namin ang usapan, ang dapat na sasabihin ng Supreme Court, kayo ang gumawa niyan. Kung mali kami, sasabihin nila may grave abuse of discretion. Yun ang authority ng Supreme Court under the Constitution.
So, bakit
kung walang grave abuse of discretion at wala naman grave abuse kung TRO o status quo ang ini-issue, therefore, wala kaming mali. Wala pa. Ngayon, sabihin nyo na. Huwag nyo na kaming ibitin pa na status quo, TRO,